Have you ever heard of Rosalind Franklin? Well, you should. Without her groundbreaking work, our understanding of genetics would be incomplete. Yet for most of her life, she toiled in the shadows of her more famous colleagues. Today, we're shining a light on her contributions and the true story of how she helped crack the genetic code. Rosalind Franklin was born in London in 1920 to a wealthy Jewish family. Her father was a prominent barrister, a title given to English lawyers, and her mother was a campaigner for women's rights. It's no surprise then that young Rosalind was a bright and curious child who excelled in science and math. But when she expressed an interest in becoming a scientist, her father suggested she consider a career in science. He believed that a woman's place was in the home, not the laboratory. Undeterred, Rosalind went on to study at Newnham College, Cambridge, where she earned a first-class degree in natural sciences. In 1942, Franklin began working at the British Coal Utilisation Research Association as a chemist, where she developed methods for purifying coal to help the war effort. After the war, she joined the group of biochemist John Randall at King's College London to study the structure of DNA. At the time, scientists knew that DNA was a polymer made up of repeating units called nucleotides, but they didn't know what the structure was. Using X-ray diffraction, Franklin produced the first clear image of DNA's helical structure and was able to determine its diameter. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick published the first accurate model of DNA's double helix structure, which revealed that the genetic code was contained within the sequence of nucleotides. While they were awarded the Nobel Prize for this discovery, Franklin's contribution was not recognized until much later. In fact, her work was only cited as an important source in a footnote. Although Franklin's health was compromised by a botched smallpox vaccination, she continued to make important contributions to our understanding of viruses and cancer cells. Sadly, she died of ovarian cancer in 1958 at the age of 37. Her legacy, however, lives on. Her work paved the way for future scientists to unlock the secrets of the genetic code, and she remains an inspiration to scientists around the world. So the next time you hear about the discovery of DNA structure, be sure to also mention Rosalind Franklin's name. And if you want to learn more about other fascinating scientists, stay tuned.